What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Tech Bum. I'm Ty, and today I've got something I really want to show you, but it's not here just yet. And I'm doing this because I haven't really gotten a video together for you guys. I've been working on a bunch for that one that I'm doing for the doctor, and I have a few things that I'm gonna do for that, like 2 or 3 more videos on that. But for right now, today I wanted to show you guys something, and I made this order back in September for my birthday because I was like, I'm turning 27. I'll get myself something nice because I'm old as all hell. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll just cut to that now. Haircut? What the hell happened?
It's like the clapper. Use 2 claps. One just messes it up.
Okay, so I just got this. It just showed up through UPS, and I'm really nervous this thing might be damaged. So I'm just gonna open it up and let you guys check out what it is. The acrylic was all cracked and it's just plastic, it seems. So before I start freaking out, now that I'm like excited as all hell, I'll go ahead and set this up for a second so you guys can see what it is. It is a 15th anniversary World of Warcraft Blade server, and yeah, I've been really excited to get one of these, and now that it's here, I'm really happy, and I don't think it's broken, so I'm really happy about that. Let me go ahead and grab the camera, and I'll bring it over here and give you guys a real good look at it instead of just from a distance. Okay, so I got it taken apart. Here's the server blade itself. It's really cool to look at. I like it. I'm really happy I got this. And it is damaged, but it's very minimalistic damage, and it's not to the server blade at all. That's not what's broken. Now, if you take a look on this piece, let me go ahead and pick it up. You can see right here, there's a piece, actually 2 of them, that go on and slide and hook so that it'll hold on right underneath there. Maybe I should do it from the other way. It obviously comes from this way, but better view like that. So it hooks on, that way when it tilts, it doesn't go anywhere. And then the other side is held on right here. It has a cut, on each side. It has a little screw that goes down, and you push it forward, and when you do that, it hooks on there as well as under there to keep the acrylic piece on. So I'll go ahead and give you a little demonstration of that since neither of those pieces are in there. They're a pretty clean break. I could probably just glue them back in with the proper adhesive, as well as make that one piece again. So I'll try, but I'll let you know what I can do. Here's the cover. So basically there is a magnet. I don't know why there's this magnet, but they want you to put it in there, and then like you go ahead and slide this down. You gotta match it up all around first. Nice and easy. You slide that on down. I guess it kind of helps keep it to it as well. It's a pretty strong magnet. And then you go ahead and slide it on, because under here, as you can kind of see, there's like plastic screws that go in each side, and that acts as the hook there. So it's really cool. It's got some plastic wrap on it. I'm not gonna peel that off just yet. I'll go ahead and show you the legs, because it's just like little stand legs that you put under it, and they're made out of acrylic as well. This one got scratched, but yeah, I'm not really worried about a scratched stand leg as much as I am, the server blade itself underneath this right here being damaged, that would have been a nightmare. Because this was something I ordered for my 27th birthday, and I've been playing World of Warcraft for a very long time, so I'm excited to finally, for once, when they did this, be able to actually afford a server and put it on display in my house. Okay, so there you go. I really like it. It's amazing. Thank you to Blizzard for sending it, and all the money went to charity, just so you know. So it's an amazing thing to have in my collection, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Hopefully I can come up with some more interesting things for you to check out. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. Tell me if I suck, tell me what I can do better, or tell me if you actually liked it. So catch you guys next time. Until then, I'm Ty, and this is the Tech Ball.